In this video, I'll teach you how to create tooltips based on report pages. This is Microsoft Power BI documentation. So if you create visually rich tooltips, that will be helpful in case if you want to use them on visuals, etc. And this is the example what they have shown you. So we'll try to create a tooltip page. And once we create the tooltip page, we'll try to use that tooltip page on a visual in a report page. So let me just take you to Power BI Desktop. And in Power BI Desktop, you can see that this is the report page which I have created in the previous video. And this is the table visual. If I hover over any data point, you can see the default tooltip. And before we create the tooltip page, let us see the table view and see the data. These are the various columns. In case if I sort this magnitude column, there are a range of values. And let me sort it by descending. And I just wanted to create a measure so that I can calculate magnitude 5 equivalency. I've already written the DAX code. This is the DAX code, and this is the name of the measure. I will create a variable and store the energy in joules in this variable. We have already seen this formula. And in return, I will use the divide function. The numerator will be total seismic energy, and the denominator will be this particular variable. So we have already created this measure in the previous video. And once I do this and commit, I have my measure ready so that I can use this in the tooltip page. So now that I have understood what I have to do, let me just go ahead and create a new tooltip page. And let me go to the report page by clicking on the plus sign on the bottom. Let me create a new tooltip page. And let me name this page appropriately as tooltip. And if I go to the format section in page information section, if I scroll down, I have those options for the page type. Let me change it to tooltip. And I can use all the other settings based on my needs. But for now, I'll keep it simple. And this is the default state, etc. And this is the tooltip page. So I can change the layout, vertical layout to top or middle. I will keep it to the top. I can use any of those visuals, but in this case, let me use the text box. I will drag that into this window and I will resize. And by using the size and style, I can add a background. So let me use that color. And also I can add visual border, shadow, etc. These are all look and feel. So based on your needs, you can make the changes here. I will start typing this energy off. So I can use a dynamic value based on the data. It will change. So let me click on this and look for total seismic energy. And if you want, you can rename this variable name as well. So let me name it as total seismic energy value and save it. And let me type, let me make sure that the font and the size are the same. And let me add joules. And I say this energy of so-and-so joules was released on. Since I have a place column, I can search for that column here. And in prior to that, I can add the date. I have the date here. So I say this energy of so-and-so joules was released on this particular date at. I can use the place column here and I will save it, the variable. I have that particular value here. So I will make changes to the font and the size. So I have this ready. And I will say that, hey, this is equivalent to magnitude 5 earthquake is supposed to be significant because it will release a lot of energy. So let me add that measure value here. And I will say that, hey, this energy of so-and-so joules was released on this particular date and time at the place is equivalent to so many magnitude 5 earthquakes. So this is my tooltip. My tooltip is ready. I can resize. Like I said, I can add the border and also I can add the shadow. So my tooltip page is ready. And once this is ready, all I have to do is go back to my report page and whatever visual I want to use, I can use this tooltip over that visual. So I will do all the changes here, settings changes. These are standard. And once I am ready, I can go to the report page. I will use the table visual. I will go to the properties on the format section. I will scroll down to tooltips and page. I will point this page there. And once I do that, my tooltip page is going to appear here if I hover over any data point. So it's pretty easy to use this. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.